Happy Friday, ladies and gentlemen. Friday, August 18th, 7:02 from Las Vegas to you. David here. Today, we're doing a room tour. We are at the MGM Grand Tower, and this is the spa suite located on the 17th floor. 17th floor, room 139. Let's begin the tour. Alright, walk in a little hallway here. Nice artwork. Into the main living quarters. This is a suite, or at least a partial suite. Not a truly separated suite here, but you do have our bed over there. And living quarters over here. Nice couch with a chair, some futons. Got a workstation right here. Big desk, nice TV. This totally swivels for the living room or the bedroom. Nice workstation with all your plugins. You can totally plug into the TV. And this is our view, awesome view. We are looking west in Las Vegas here, the MGM. New York across the way. We got the Park MGM. And of course, Vidara, Aria, Cosmopolitan. Should be an awesome view at night. Let's look back towards the room here. Got a bit of a nautical theme with the spotlight over there. Once again, some nice artwork. Let's come over here to the bed. Nice big bed. Looks comfy. We'll let you know how it is. Spacious room. This is what it looks like from this side. Now the whole reason we got the room is we enjoy our whirlpools, our jacuzzi tubs, and this one has one, so let's go check it out. We are in the bathroom, his and hers vanities. Decent lighting. I think lighting is important for the ladies. My wife always hates bathrooms that are too dark, and I think the lighting is pretty good in this one. I'll have to get her final okay when she gets here. Here we got a glass shower, and the highlight of the room, the jacuzzi tub. Pretty spacious, pretty deep. Definitely hold two people, maybe a third. And your john with a little privacy wall. Towels there, hair dryer. Hair dryer. Very nice. Comes with closets. We got some good closet space. Plenty of room to store your luggage. Plenty of room to hang. Ironing board included. Over here we got a little ice bucket, some glasses. And some storage. Oh, lo and behold, look at that. Where the goodies are. Don't touch these goodies or else you're going to pay for it. But look, got some M&Ms. Got some liquor. Got some hard liquor. Got some champagne. Whoa, got Jack Daniels down there. Vodka. Some beers. Anything you want. But you will pay for it. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. It'll ring you up. And here you go. So all in all, once again, MGM Grand Tower Spa Suite, 7:02 from Las Vegas to you. David right here doing the room tour. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We're going to do a weekend here in Las Vegas, and there'll be plenty of highlights. We'll upload them soon. Make sure you check out my channel. Hope you guys like it. Please hit the like and subscribe button. We looking to gain my viewership and want to go worldwide. So you guys have a great weekend.